So, Beach Boulevard, huh?
Beach Boulevard and Cerritos is where we're starting right now.
Are you telling me this Boulevard Avenue, whatever, goes all the way till those mountains, like in a canyon?
Goes all the way to those mountains. Yep, goes all the way through. So we'll take this all the way down, see how far we can get up. It snowed for the last 4 days. Not sure how far we can get up, but we'll go until we can't anymore.
So it's a beach avenue, so it ends up in what? Like Huntington Beach, something like that?
That is correct, yep. And to the one, yeah, it ends at the one in Huntington Beach. The only thing I don't know is how far past the mountains this goes. Haven't looked into that yet.
We'll discover. Yeah, man, something that I love about this place is, and we were talking about it, Beach Boulevard. You have the beach right back here, and here in the front you can see the snowy mountains.
Yeah, that's what California is known for. You can theoretically go surfing and snowboarding all on the same day.
That's awesome.
And there are people who have done that.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind. I don't think we can go surfing in a Superbike, no?
No, there are ways. People will do it. You got to be careful on that one. So you got to stop for a second.
Oh, what is this? Okay. Yeah. What's cool is that we have no idea where we're going. Like we're just aiming to the mountains. We know there's this street, this Beach Boulevard ends in a canyon.
Yeah, this is it ends up turning into Azusa Canyon.
But other than that, we don't know nothing.
No, we don't know anything.
Let's go check it out.
Oh, this is the big sign right here. That's a dog, yeah! Good boy!
Snoop Dogg! Yeah, I think this is where the fun part starts.
Gee, that's a big blind turn right there. So I guess we are on Azusa Canyon now.
Little river down there. Yeah, let's check this place out. What's up, Nick?
What up? Yeah, that's pretty.
Nice. Oh, look at these gorgeous machines.
Yeah, there we go. That's pretty.
Shoot. Oh, what a picture I'm gonna take right here. Yeah, I think that's good. Oh man, look at this, bro.
A few moments later.
Think you're cool, huh? Yeah. Here, you know what?
That's funny, dude. Here you go.
Well, just relax and enjoy the ride and the view.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just starting to catch you. Here we go.
I was gonna ask for my keys back, but I got it. Well, this is indeed discovering, huh? Because we have no idea where we are. This road, we don't even know the name of it. Okay, you good? Oh man, this spot. Okay, I'm gonna stop here just a second, bro. It's such a beautiful picture.
Alright, headed back on Azusa. But I got that hidden road with the prison on it.
What was a jail doing there?
I don't know. We'll have to go look and research that. That was a weird one. I don't even know there was a jail out in the middle of here.
Well, did you see that, bro?
No, I was watching the girls, dude. What do you expect?
I tried to do a wheelie and this thing just spins, so it went phew, sideways. Yeah, it didn't grip. Well, I wanted to show off and I almost fell.
Positive vibe, you know? Here we go.
Well then. I'm so stuck here. Come on, my forest ninja. Uh-oh, snow baby! Yes! Oh, fuck! Wow. Okay, I need to stop, bro. Whoa!